Hello friends, myself Dr. Uddhav Hale, Professor Department of Botany, Art Science Commerce College Navadvip Taluka Tuzapur District Usmanabad, affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Friends, once again here I am discussing about the multiple choice questions based on Bryophyta part 2nd, which is come under the paper of diversity of Cryptogamma 2nd. Now this examination or these multiple choice questions are very beneficial for various examinations for undergraduate students, those who are having the botany, or postgraduate students, those who are having botany as well as life sciences. Then which is useful for the set examination, preparation of set examination, NET examination, PET examination, as well as MPSC, UPSC, then the examinations for the agriculture sciences as well as the forest services. Due to this COVID-19 period, your universities are going to be conducted the online mode examination, and that is based on the multiple choice questions. And keeping this view in mind, I have discussed here about the multiple choice questions based on the Bryophyta part 2nd. So let us see now here the first question of the part 2nd of Bryophytes, that is, in Bryophytes, amphithecium divides to form, and the options are A. Archisporium, B. Spores, C. Columella, and D. Pseudoelatrus. And the correct option is, that is A. Archisporium. Question number 2. Spore mother cells in Bryophytes is, that spore mother cell is either A. haploid, B. diploid, C. triploid, D. tetraploids. And the correct option is B, that is diploid. Question number 3. That is, elatrus are present in sporangium of, that is A. in Riccia, B. in Funaria, C. in Marchantia, D. none of the above. And the correct option is C, that is that elatrus are present in Marchantia. Question number 4. Bryophytes are flourish found in moist and shady places because of, the options are A. they cannot grow on land, they lack roots and stomata, their gametes fuse in water, D. they lack vascular tissues. And the correct option is, that is C. they required, or their gametes fuse in water, because for the union of gametes, there is a male and female gametes, it should require the water. So therefore, the correct option is their gametes fuse in water. Question number 5. That is, sexual reproduction in Bryophytes is, the options are generally, that is isogamous, B. anisogamous, C. oogamous, or D. all of the above. And the correct option is C, that is, sexual reproduction takes place in all Bryophyte members, that is with the help of oogamous type of sexual reproduction. Question number 6. Gemma cup is produced in, that is option A. Marchantia, B. Sphagnum, C. Funaria, D. Salvinia. And the correct answer is, that is the A option, that is Marchantia. Question number 7. Leafy gametophytes is formed from Protonema in, their options are A. Funaria, B. Marchantia, C. Riccia, D. Anthoceros. And the correct option is, that is A, that is the leafy gametophytic conditions are found in Protonema, that is in Funaria. Then question number 8. The generally sporophyte consists of, the options are food, seta, capsule, and D. all of the above. And the correct answer is D, because generally sporophyte consists of food, seta, and capsule. So therefore, here the correct option is all of the above, that is D. Question number 9. That is, Funaria capsule represents, that is options are A. sporophyte, B. a part of sporus, C. a gametophyte, D. all of the above. And the correct option is, that is A, that is a sporophyte, because Funaria capsule represents the sporophyte. Question number 10. In the case of moss or Funaria, the spore on immediate germination, it gives rise to, their options are A. Protonema, B. thallus, C. prothallus, and D. sporophyte. And the correct answer is A, because after germination of the spore, then it gives rise to the Protonema in case of the moss or Funaria. Question number 11. Development of gametophyte directly from the sporophytic tissue is called. Their options are A. Apogamy, B. Parthenogenesis, C. Apospory, D. Syngamy. And the correct answer is C, that is Apospory. Question number 12. Which plant group includes the liverworts and mosses? And the correct options are species that is in trichophytes, B. Bryophytes, C. Thallophytes, D. None of the above. And the correct answer ultimately that is B, in Bryophytes. That is liverworts and mosses are come under the Bryophytes. Question number 13. The plants which live in soil but depends upon water for the reproduction in, especially their the A in algae, B pterophyte, C bryophytes, D angiosperm. Ultimately, the correct option is C, that is a bryophytes. Question number 14. Which of the following is true about bryophytes? That is A. They are thalloid, B. They contain chloroplast, they possess Archegonia and Antheridia, and D. All of the above. And the correct option is all of the above, because this is thallus-like plant body, they are having the chloroplast, and always they are possessing or producing the Archegonia and Antheridia. Hence, the correct option is D, that is all of the above. Question number 15. That is a common hormones is. Their options are A. Anthoceras, B. Funaria, C. Marchantia, D. Riccia. And correct option is A, that is Anthoceras is hormones. That is common hormones. Question number 16. The plant group that produce spores in embryo but lacks vascular tissues and seeds in. Their options are A. Pteridophyta, B. Bryophyta, C. Rhodophyta, D. Phaeophyta. And ultimately the correct option is B, that is in Bryophyta. Question number 17. The spore dissemination or disperse in some liverworts is aided by or with the help of. Their options are A. Indusium, B. Calyptra, C. Peristome teeth, and D. Elatrus. And the correct option is that is D, with the help of elatrus. When the elatrus will become hygroscopic, then they are disseminated or disperse the spores, especially in the liverworts, and therefore the correct answer is D, that is elatrus. Question number 18. Which one of the following pairs of plants are not seed producers? And the options are Fern and Funaria, B. Funaria and Ficus, C. Ficus and Chlamydomonas, and D. Punica and Pinus. And the correct option is C, that is Fern and Funaria, and that is a pair of not producing the seed producer. Question number 19. There is bryophytes that prevent soil erosion by forming dense mats on the soil are. Their options are especially in ferns, B. Marchantia, C. horsetails, and D. mosses. And the correct answer is D, that is in mosses or especially Funaria. Question number 20. Plants reproducing by spores such as mosses and ferns are grouped under the general terms of. Their options are ultimately A. in cryptogams, B. bryophytes, C. sporophytes, D. thallophytes, and especially the option C is D, that is in cryptogams. So this is all about the 20 multiple choice questions based on the multiple choice question based on bryophytes part 2nd. So thank you very much. If you are not subscribed my channel, please share to others